Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at pivot views and optimizer in Fabric Plan. Our planning model contains cost, price, and quantity across country, region, category, and subcategory. This level of detail is ideal for granular planning, but different teams often need to work at different levels of the hierarchy. A regional manager doesn't want to scroll through every subcategory, and a product owner doesn't care about geography. Navigating this single, flat hierarchy to find the right view for each team isn't practical. This is where Pivot comes in. It lets us create focused, reusable views on top of the same planning data, without duplicating or restructuring the model. Let's select Pivot in the Planning tab, add a row pivot for geography, and include country and region. Next, I'll add another pivot for product with category and subcategory. Once both are saved, notice the Pivot Explorer at the top. It lets us switch between the All view, geography, and product instantly. Let's see this in action. In the product view, I'll update the cost adjustment value at the All level to 56,000. Switching to the geography view, notice the cost adjustment here also reflects the same value. Both views are simply different perspectives of the same underlying data. From the geography view, let's update price adjustment to 65,000. Switching back to the All view, we can see both changes, cost adjustment and price adjustment, reflected consistently down to every country, region, category, and subcategory combination. One update, and every view and every level stays in sync. Now, let's build our plan. We'll create a formula column for Revenue Plan. Next, another formula column for Cost Plan. Then, one more formula column for the planned gross profit. Now, say we have a gross profit target higher than what we're currently planning for. We could manually adjust these variables and check the result each time. But with multiple variables and a specific target to hit, trial and error is slow and rarely lands on the optimal combination. This is where Optimizer comes in. Let's select Optimize. We'll set the target to 130 million and select Cost Adjustment, Quantity Budget, and Price Adjustment for the variables to update. Next, let's add constraints with respect to the variables. We'll set a range for each variable: Cost Adjustment between 0 and 50,000, Quantity Budget between 0 and 14,000, and Price Adjustment between 0 and 70,000. These ranges keep the optimizer from suggesting values that aren't realistic for the business. Let's run the optimizer. Now, the target of 130 million in planned gross profit has been achieved, with the variable values displayed alongside. Rather than manually testing combinations, it searches across the defined ranges for Quantity Budget, Price Adjustment, and Cost Adjustment, and identifies the exact mix that gets us there. Let's apply the values to the report. Once saved, the variables update automatically, and the change flows straight through Revenue Plan and Cost Plan, and planned gross profit now reads exactly 130 million, both at the All level and down through every country and region. This is what makes the optimizer valuable. It removes the guesswork of manual trial and error, and instead solves for the target directly across every variable in play. Thanks for watching.